Now, if you need some help and you want to do your own research because I'm not available, I do got to eat and sleep. In any case, you can come up here and go to the Tell Me What You Want to Do, What You Really Want to Do feature and click inside and type in a keyword like print. We'll keep it simple. It finds the best match, which is an action that you can hover over the arrow and it opens up and allows you to choose from 1 of 3 actions, like the quick print. You go over and click on that. It's going to automatically print, and I don't have anything on my worksheet. Go to the printer. Or you can perform the actions down below, and you can go ahead and click print. It'll print it, print the guidelines, or you can choose one of these other options here, like setting the print area. So when you go to it, you can come over here and click on Set Print Area. So you want to make sure that you select a range, and before you go ahead and click on Set Print Area, which we'll talk about in a later training video. But if you don't want to perform any of these actions, the commands, which is the same command that you can put on your quick access toolbar or find on one of the tabs on the ribbon in a group, you can also get extra help like print. What does that mean? And you can hover over it and it says, hey, you can print a worksheet or a workbook. Go ahead and click on it, opens up the task pane over to the right so you can read more about it. Print a worksheet or workbook. You can print an entire or partial worksheet, and you can scroll down and go, oh, there's the steps. Go to File, there's File, and then go down to Print, or you can use the shortcut keys Control-P. And while you're here, you can actually type in some more keywords to search in the Help feature here, or you can go ahead and close out. Come back up, and let's do it again. Print, see what else is available. You can get more results, or you can do a smart lookup on print. So when you click on the smart lookup, in the previous version of Excel, it actually searched the internet, the Bing search engine, but now it's called Intelligent Services. Ooh, getting a little AI, artificial intelligence. That could be spooky. So to let Office get web results for your highlighted text, you can turn on now. In fact, let me go ahead and I'll click and drag, and I ought to be able to scroll down. Let me click and drag. Intelligent Services works across all Office apps to help you be more productive. To provide intelligent services, Office needs to be able to collect your search terms and document content. Document content? Ouch. Let's go ahead and click on Turn On. And there we go. You can explore or define it. So when I'm exploring print, I can scroll down and it tells me about this print. A quarterly journal of the graphic arts was a limited edition. Okay, oh, that's exploring. And it just pulls in whatever it thinks that you're trying to look for. So there it is. Or you can define it and say, okay, what is the definition of print? A verb, third person, present. Prints, past tense, printed, past. Okay, you get the idea. You can also click on listen to the pronunciation.
Print.
Oh, you hear that?
Print.
Oh, that was pronounced just fabulous. In any case, if everything looks grisly and you're done with it, go ahead and close out. Oh, and by the way, if you want to turn off the artificial intelligence, come with me, good neighbor. Click on File, go backstage, and let me go down to Options. Click on that. And then on the General tab, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And it's right there, Office Intelligence Services. You want to enable it, uncheck it, click OK. So when I come back up here and I type in print, I come down to do a smart lookup on print. You see it was turned off. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please look in the description below this video.